Hello guys, Moy from Mosa Auto Performance, and this is episode 3 of Lucas and Petromin Oil Test. So yun guys, almost 2,000 kilometer run na yung shop car natin, and nakakuha na tayo ng fuel efficiency data ng stock engine oil. So ngayon, magpapalit tayo ng Petromin oil and Lucas oil, and babiyahe siguro natin ulit to ng Baguio, and we'll see if this oil will make this engine more fuel efficient. And ito, basic preventive maintenance service lang. Ang wala lang dito is fuel filter kasi mababa pa yung mileage nito, but papalitan namin to next PMS niya. So ito lang, normal oil filter and air filter lang. Yun, so Petromin oil. So yun lang guys. Papakita namin sa inyo kung paano mag-basic preventive maintenance service ang Mosa Auto Performance. Thank you guys.